All right, so today I am going to do something for my wife. I love her so much, and I think it would be great, if I can make this bike more personable for her, but she's on the trails with me while I'm at mine. Oh, I ordered a few things for her, which includes a really sick decal kit, which you will see very soon, as well as a pretty awesome exhaust. So while doing the exhaust on the motorcycle here, we're gonna go down inside here, and we're gonna take these two bolts. If you can see in, there's one right there, and there's another on the back side. We're gonna take those two off, as well as this one right here, and then this panel here, and then we'll see what else we need to do after that. I'm gonna use a socket with an extension right here to make it a little easier on me with a 12. And then also I'm gonna use a 5/16. I'm gonna use a 12 also here. Here is the new exhaust. I don't wanna touch it too much, but as you can tell, it is a pretty sweet system. Not bad. Pro Circuit T4. I wanna try it. I also got the header pipe. Not sure if it's much bigger, but I think it is. It looks like it. Looks like it has a better bend anyway right here. So I'm gonna rock it. So here we go. Got the exhaust done. I guess we can hear how it sounds real quick. I did the header feed too. Put the old one back on there. I had to obviously use it. Still headless, all newer piping. Stock bend is actually a little sharper one right here. I think that's probably bad. My bike is way faster now. That I can tell 100%. And I got the... Well, thank you very much for watching this video. I truly am enjoying building this bike for my wife. I really hope others are inspired to do this, as it's up to us to help them feel comfortable while they're on the trails with us, so that they always want to come. This bike is going to have new decal kits, as well as a bunch of new things. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe and share with others. Have a great day.